Okay, I got the hammer. See, apparently the button is stuck over here, so I have to move. Oh, sweet. Okay, got it out. Pain in the ass. It's actually not bad, just gotta clean it. Okay, let's pull this out from the side. Take that out. Oh, clips. I'm gonna change the rug. Oh, what's... Okay, let's get the tools out of here. The original rug. Okay, let's get to the other side. Look at the doorbell. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, we're back. I was FedEx at the door. Have some packages for me. And no, it's not car parts. Alright, let's get you out the way. Let's get all these out the way. Put these over that. To the wiring. Oh, we got this too. Gotta put this where it won't fall. Okay. Now let's get this out. What do we got here? Ooh, smells too. Oof. Take the seat sensor out the way. Screwdriver out the way. Oh shit, we gotta take this out. Do we? Well, I'm throwing away the rug, so I'll probably just cut it. Yeah. You go get a razor blade. I'll be right back. I'm not gonna unrivet this. No way in hell. I don't need to take it out. It works fine. Alright, let me get a razor blade. I'll be right back. Okay, we got our razor blade. Let's cut this. Yeah, definitely put this razor blade away. Very, very sharp. Put it right here. Okay. Stinks. Yeah, I'm not using. Definitely not. Just buy a new one. Okay. Pretty much done in here. Start doing my switch wiring. Get a vacuum. Clean this mess up. I don't see no rust, so that's a good thing. I mean, the car looked really good on the bottom. There's no rust on this car. So, cage, roll bar, I mean, I could do the 10-point, but I want to be able to get in and out of the car, so I'll probably just do the middle roll, do the roof and the pillars. That's it. I'm not gonna do the doors. So I'll do the pillars that come straight down to here. That's it. I'll leave the center open. Alright guys, so I'll get back to you. I'm gonna clean up this mess right here and come back and we'll do the wiring. So I gotta pull down the fuse box here and run these two separate outlets. Okay guys, just had to go pick up the little uni bit. So I'm gonna make a small hole into the transmission tunnel. That's way I can feed the fuel pump wire. So I already got my grommet. Just gotta go in on the wire when you feed it through the drill. Okay. I need a piece where I can get to. Also, when I hook up the what sensor you call that, the speed sensor, I need to also put a wire through here as well. So right here there's nothing, so I'm gonna done. This will work. Perfect, look at that. Fit right in like a glove. Then the wires can feed right through. What am I doing here? I'm gonna clean the main carpet. See it right there? I was gonna replace it, but I think I changed my mind. So I'm just gonna pressure wash it and call it a day. So much wires here. Oosh. I'm gonna feed it away from all these wires. I'm probably gonna go under. Let me find a spot. I have to reach under this. I gotta shut off the camera. Probably gonna. Okay, it's a good spot. This is more than enough room for. That's a fuel pump, and then I gotta also fish the speed sensor wire through here, and then depending on what gauges I'm gonna do for that, I don't know if I'm gonna do odometer on the whole display here, or maybe do the digital dash. I have no idea yet. Okay, I do want to pull some wires out from here, like this shit right here. What is this? Where are you coming from? I guess that's not coming from anywhere. I gotta see what these wires are for. Which I know this wire is for obviously the lighting. Oh, it's two on each side. Somebody put lights here, which they're not supposed to have a light. It looks like it's original, but it's not. Okay, we just gotta run our display up. Nope. We don't know yet where we're putting this. So now these wires gotta go straight to the fuse box. So gotta do constant, and these are two ignition switches, just on and off. This green wire is the this is the coil power ignition there, and then this brown wire here, it's for the tack, an aftermarket tack if we have one, but I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing there yet. Okay, so I'm waiting for my secondary fuse box. I'm waiting for that to come in. Which, my cousin John got one, and she's not using, so I'm gonna use it in this car because I still got a whole bunch of stuff to hook up. I still got the fan, the water pumps. I have electric water pumps. I gotta run that. So right there, we already got 5 wires going to the box alone. Yeah, that's it. Everything else is just the gauges, just wiring the gauges. It's easy. Okay.